I gotta put a new gasket on this.
What the? Whoa. Yeah, you are. No kidding. All right, here. Here's the towel. Give it like 2 minutes, let the oil settle, and it should be able to get an accurate reading. I love how it's so windy today that like as soon as I grab these towels, it's just gonna blow away. But I'm gonna take a picture for the gram. Not really for the gram, but you know what I mean. Looking good, beautiful. Eurobike life, dude. Shit blows up all the time. Ryan just texted me, said hella stadies everywhere. I don't want to deal with the cops anymore. Is it still within the mark?
Yeah, it's right on the low.
Let's go to my new house to see some oil. I doubt it's the oil causing the vibration, especially if you're still within the line, so I wouldn't worry about it. There's still a lot of oil on the top end, by the way. You just turn the bike off, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Triumph's not like other brands too. Like you can, there's a little bit of leeway with that. Eurobikes, man, I love it.
Dude, the one day my check engine light came on, and I was like, oh shit. I went back home, checked the oil, there's no oil in it. I was like, oh.
On this bike? Yeah, that's not ideal. I got earplugs in anyway, I can't hear it.
It like it's like right when I start the bike, and then it goes away like 5 seconds.
Oh, that's probably the cam chain tensioner. You might, well, let's see if topping up the oil fixes it, because sometimes it's an oil pressure thing, or you might just have to replace it, which is not the end of the world. It's just a pain in the ass. The second gen Triumph Daytonas had a lot of problems with their cam chain tensioners. I don't think the third gens did, but you still might have to replace it. It's just like it's a part of the bike getting old. That's all. Again, not ideal, but it's not going to total the bike. To me, that sounds like it's a cam chain tensioner thing because it's rattling on startup and it goes away. Once it builds up oil pressure, it goes away because it's an automatic cam chain tensioner. So maybe topping off the oil might help, might not. It's okay, buddy. Don't worry. We'll fix it for you. It'll get you topped off. Oh, federal. I locked eyes with him. Oh, shit. I mean, it's not like I just got this bike fully legal with a metal plate, bracket, and everything. But should I do a wheelie for him?
No.
He'd love it.
I do not want it.
So far, I mean, hey, it's been working out pretty well. I don't want to learn parking lot wheelies. I want to, like...
It's the same thing.
Not really.
Yeah, it is. It's like a really long straightaway. That's where I learned how to do wheelies.
I don't know, man. It's going to take me a while. I'm, like, trying to be safe about it.
Oh, okay, sure.
It's going to eventually get my keel. I'm not even wearing any gear today, bro. Come on, give me a break.
Safe about it.
Try to be. Really? Clutch was all the way in and it just stalled, yeah. I'm telling you, this bike is running like so fucking lean. It needs the exhaust badly. It needs the exhaust and the tune like really fucking bad. Remember how my V2 would do that? It's like the exact same thing where it's running so lean that like, oh, disappointment. What's he trying to do?
I don't know.
Is the guy up there? I saw it looked like a car was juking him out. I was like, bro, someone trying to run? Is it this car? What? That's so weird. Why is it going after that car? Oh. To me, it looked like it was a car, like, trying to juke him out. I was like, the fuck?
It did look like that, for sure.
It would have been hilarious, bro, if a fucking car was trying to do that shit.
Yeah, it's just like some regular-ass car trying to run from a stadium.
That's not going to go well for you, buddy. Oh, that was so exciting. My heart rate jumped. I'm like, yes, we get to watch it. Dude, imagine spectating a fucking car chase. Just, like, in the back, like, we pull up, like, you guys need help? Like, that would have been sick, though. If I was on a faster bike, like, imagine you just pull up next to a stadium. You're like, hey, what's up, bro? You need help? I can follow him for a bit. I got you, bro. I got his plate.
I can keep up with him. I got a camera.
They're just, like, staring at you like, what?
What did you say?
What are they selling? And they pit you. Just get you later. Can't see behind me, though. I don't have mirrors.
Oh, fuck.
Fucking love it, bro. Ah, third gear. Almost had it. It literally wants to in third. I can feel it. Ah. Yeah, you see, like, it wants to come up. Oh, man. Did he leave?
No way.
Oh, there he is. What up, motherfucker?
I thought I was going to hear you guys in the...
No, we have mesh grouping on it. Sounds better.
I do that through the app?
Yeah. Go through the app, turn on mesh, and then go from group. I'm sorry, you go from open to group. How you doing, motherfucker? Wait, hit close.
Private chat.
There I go. Hey, I hear you now. Derek, are you in? Okay.
I hear.
Just want to make sure we got everybody. Hey, y'all. Oh my God, step bike. What are you doing?
Oh Lord! Wait a damn minute.
So my V4.
What?
My
V4 blew up? Yeah, that's what I was expecting.
Man, no, my V4 is at the new house now.
I don't know why you're not on that.
I left my key at my parents' house, and the S1000 is at my parents' house too.
All right, let's go get one of the leader bikes.
No, dude, it's so windy out today.
Okay, and
I don't want to go on the highway.
Dude, we have to go on the fruit. Why don't we go downtown real quick?
I'm not opposed to that.
I want to see what's cooking. I don't feel like going fast today anyway.
Hey, that's actually a good idea. There's just a shit ton of people at the flats probably and shit.
Yeah. I'm going out tomorrow.
You guys are always going out.
I'm
Feels
going out
like it.
tonight and tomorrow, but
I'm gonna be in the flats at 11.
I'm gonna
Which sounds horrible. Like, it already sounds horrible to start.
It does sound kind of rough.
I'm not like, you know, I like to drink, but I'm not like wake up at 8 a.m. and drink. You know what I'm saying? Do it now, bitch.
you stupid fucking leather gloves.
Somebody did that at work. It was like we drive golf carts and shit at work.
And someone just left it like this.
They took one of like those like the rubber gloves, you know,
Uh-huh.
like neoprene gloves.
Yeah,
And they,
yeah.
they zip tied it to the fucking steering wheel of the golf cart and they inflated it like this.
Yeah,
And
that's
I'm
funny as hell.
What the fuck?
That's so fucking funny. Holy shit.
Did you see my rear brake?
We do funny ass shit. We like zip tie our doors fucking shut and stuff.
Fucking, I'm about to hit your.
Oh, careful.
We wanted to park like on my fucking bike. What about your rear brake?
I burned it.
Why? Because you use your rear brakes too much?
Yeah, I was trying to warm them up, and I guess I must have burned.
I'm not gonna be out for too long.
No, there's a lot of stadies on the highway anyway.
Dude, bring it. Let's go. That gives me a reason to go fast.
I got like an hour.
I'll take 77 north, but I can't go that fast. Just a heads
No,
up.
no, no. I'm not gonna drive like an asshole. And if I do,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
say it.
totally. Yeah, knowing you.
If I do, I will say it.
You fucking. You prick.
Damn, dude. Chill, bro.
I'm not. Is that mean?
I mean, I really don't care. This.
Dude, after riding in 35 yesterday, this feels like 90.
My neck was hurting from going so slow on the way here.
Really? Prepare to go even slower.
Hell no, we're going at least 50.
50? Oh, yeah, that's fine. This dude won't. Whoa.
Started right up, bro.
What do you mean?
First start.
I'm sorry.
Let's go, brother.
Let's go. Let's go, me.
Could you imagine paying $100 grand for that Jeep?
Can you imagine paying
Jeep
30 grand for a bike?
The Wagoneer's 100,000.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Imagine paying 30 grand for a motorcycle?
This guy bought it. The number should be even higher than what I just said.
No, because dude, can these cars go? Like, oh my god.
Douchebag.
Fucking dude. Don't worry, he's gonna have to learn to get his CDL soon. Get ready to learn Chinese, buddy. You're fucked, pal.
Get ready to learn Chinese, buddy. Fuck.
You're fucked, buddy.
You realize I have a degree, right?
Get your CDL, pal.
Oh, you know, realize I'm 1 year away from getting my degree. I don't need social media. I will survive if the ban actually does happen. I'll be okay.
I don't think it's gonna happen anyway.
It probably won't, but in the off chance it does,
No,
I got a degree. I'll be okay.
Did you hear Nancy Pelosi talking about it? She was like, tic-tac-toe.
Tick,
I was like, what is this bitch saying?
She thought, dude, the way she looked around, she did a quick look around the room real quick.
She has no idea. She definitely just learned what TikTok was last week.
What a loser, man. What a fucking loser. Same with all those the Jeff Jackson guy.
That's a good point about that.
It doesn't make sense because there's people on both sides that were voting no on the ban. So it's I don't even understand.
Yeah, Marjorie Taylor Greene and AOC both fucking voted for it. Voted no, I'm sorry. They voted no.
Man, I don't like AOC.
He's gonna get a reckless this year for sure.
On that, it would be on that, yeah.
Yeah, it is gonna be on that. It's gonna be on the slowest fucking.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This dude literally does non-stop wheelies everywhere.
All just hating the game.
I can't wheelie until about 50 miles an hour. And even then, it's not like your guys wheelie.
Chill the fuck out, bro.
I know exactly where the fuck I am. I said I know exactly where I'm at. I've delivered to this place on the left and the right.
Yeah, it's like a little industrial area. I forget you don't know this area as well. This is where I go to school. I'll sometimes take this road to commute.
I know I know the entire east side by heart. East of Cleveland, I know basically everything. I don't come to the side for work so often. You're such a jackass. All I'm saying is, you get pulled over, I'm not stopping anyway. You are definitely getting a reckless.
Probably. I'm trying to be more careful about where I do it. I'm trying to do it less in traffic and more on roads like this where I know there's not really anybody sitting around.
I'm worried that if you do it, I gotta dodge your ass laying in the concrete. God forbid you did dump it.
It's got a fail safe. If I get it too high, then it drops it back down for me.
Okay.
It'll cut all my power and basically force me back down, but only if I get it to a certain threshold. So it's a really good bike to learn wheelies on, basically is what I'm saying. Because as long as the electronics do their job, basically can't dump it. I just got a little battery warning on my Cena, so I should probably fix it. Yeah, fuck you too, buddy. You're not anything special with those stupid ass leather gloves.
My gauntlets, bitch.
I got Alpine stars. You can't shit on me.
Mine are Dynacy, just as good.
No, mine are better.
No, I guarantee these are made of the same material.
Mine are better.
They're definitely not.
I'm just speaking from experience, bro. I've had both.
Shall we compare bikes right now?
No.
Alright, that's what I thought. Just checking.
Yeah.
Yo, S63.
He got a massive bug guide on this bike. It's gross. Oh my god, look at that. Unlimited power!
Holy fuck, look at that thing.
It's gonna spin off the fucking thing.
Holy shit.
They're not even, there's another wind turbine over there. They're not even running probably because it would burn it out.
I somewhat know where we're at.
This is Berea, right by Coal Lake.
It takes us right in there, yeah.
Oh my god, this car. I want to do a wheelie, but I can't.
Are these like Borden Wallace frat houses and shit?
Yeah. Oh shit. See that?
Yeah, that squirrel is fucking over. He was a little squished.
Yeah, like you can see the little frat boys having their nice little picnic.
Yo, fuck me by the school bus, for real.
What's wrong with being by the school bus, bro? For the kids, man. Actually, that sounded really bad. I meant like inspire them to get bikes or whatever.
No, I'm not trying to get flattened by this fucking bus. That's what I meant.
Final destination ass just beep, beep, crunches the bike.
That is something I just don't want to experience.
And I don't know what's going on with the Daytonas today, but both of them were... Derek's was having some issues too. I don't know why.
I think it's gonna be okay.
I think it's gonna be fine, but I'm just worried about my tires, so I'm gonna just wheelie and just forget about it.
Wheelie and forget about it.
It's always so much of a struggle to do that. Where are we going? That direction?
Gas station.
This guy's so eager to just get out of here, huh?
I don't know. It's like, bro, we were sitting waiting, and now it's like once we came, it's like...
You're definitely in the wrong one.
It's fine. Who's gonna report me? The cops? No.
Cops don't even go here.
Yeah, this isn't a cop station. This is a courthouse.
You don't even go here. You don't even think cops have premium?
Does this guy want to hear 16,000 RPMs? Alright, something's in my eye. This is a great start. We haven't
Hellish
went anywhere.
stuff's got on mine, too.
Oh, man.
Do you think the cops like wheelies?
Yes. They probably like them, but they don't support them. That's
Ooh,
my
there's
theory.
something in my eye. No
Dude,
way.
that's what I'm saying. Something blew in my eye, too.
I mean, it is a little bit windy out, so something might blow in your fucking eye.
It's so scary. I don't know if it's your bike or my bike.
What?
That noise.
The smell?
I think it's your bike because you have a...
I got those Desmo valves.
Yeah.
Hi! Hello!
I think they're waving at the car in front of them.
What?
Definitely wasn't waving to you.
Oh no, they're waving to the kid in...
Wow. Can't believe I got duped like that.
Hey, one wave a day keeps the doctor away.
Listen, I'm just waving because I like waving.
Definitely reckless opposite his name.
Dude, you've said that so many times, I don't see any tickets yet, bro.
Alright. I'll stop saying it, just remember.
Okay, I thought about it. What if the kid is not waving to that guy, he's waving to us?
And the person in front just thought that they were waving? Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, that makes sense to me.
What the fuck?
Oh. Please.
Whoopsies. Dude, I'm like getting fucking every gust of wind like blows my bike to the side.
Because you're like 10 feet off the ground.
It's like
Look at the
damn.
power line.
What power lines? Oh, those? Yeah, they're like shingles.
Like the disease.
Fakes my hands.
It's like such a beautiful day to ride. I hate like whenever it's like super windy. It like restricts really how you ride.
Buddy's about to hit a sumo deadlift.
The ambulance about to go.
Oh, the fucking ambulance.
I'm about to run out of gas, bro. Like,
Don't go. Okay, we're going.
I kind of.
And that was so horrible.
You guys are terrible people.
I don't want to hear it.
I'm a horrible person. That was so bad.
Hey,
So
they-
bad.
Listen, my priorities are better than the ambulances. Okay. I'm sure it's not that much of an emergency. Okay.
Dude, it might be.
Being over.
Oh no, I don't want to hear it. I'm sure it's fine.
Insta 360. Hey Frank, are you in this chat?
Oh, he's too cool for Senna's.
He
Mhm.
has one.
Not in that helmet, he does. We were seeing if you were in the chat, but I realized you don't have a Senna.
Yo, sugar daddy, hook me up.
I got you.
Fucking piece
I
of-
think I'm honestly, I don't even think I'll use a gallon.
I severely doubt that, considering we went from Brecksville to downtown to here.
Okay.
You probably used like 5 gallons, bro.
Over, under, gallon and a half. Reach your right. Keep reaching to your right. No. Stop. No.
Oh my.
Back up!
Then watch this. I'll come over. This is why that shit's so complicated.
Less than a gallon, baby.
3.4 something. I'll check back in my video.
Less than a gallon, baby.
Oh, you want me to grab that?
Dude, I figured that's why you were here.
No, I was gonna watch you struggle to put that back. He's screwed. He couldn't do anything. You just spray it and just.
That's what I was considering, but I was like, I don't want to be an ass.
I'm so fucking scared right now. Here, look at this.
I'm so fucking scared right now.